Hey, what's up? It's Goldie from Frisco, Texas, and I'm here today for the Kalisten Challenge. So what the Kalisten Challenge is, first of all, before we get into it, Kalisten is a Solana NFT move to earn project. So what that means is that every time you work out, you earn some coin. You gotta have an NFT in order to earn the coin, and you get a lot of cool stuff with it, and it's a really cool project with a great team behind it. I interviewed them a couple days ago. You can check my YouTube channel below and take a listen for yourself. You'll have all the information that you possibly need about the project. Now, the Kalisten Challenge, what that means is that the move to earn portion of the app is on the honor system. It's not like other ones like StepN, where you actually have to log in and walk in order to gain your coin. This works on the honor system, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna grab my phone, and you're gonna see, I'm gonna record the whole workout. Now, the team mentioned to me that there's been some issues. People are finishing workouts really quick. So they challenged me, the team at Kalisten, to try to get through the beginner home full body for beginners workout as fast as possible, and that's what I'm here to do. So the rule that I'm gonna have is 10-second rest between sets, and that's it. You're gonna see me record this as we go through as well, and you can see on the screen right now what the workout entails. So it's 6 workouts, 3 sets per workout. You can do this at home. I am doing it in the gym at my apartment complex, so I guess technically I'm home, right? So we're gonna hit start workout. Now, like I told you, you need to have Kalisten NFT. I do that. So I'm gonna click at the bottom where it says go to your active NFTs by tapping here, tap there. And then there's my guy. He's unrevealed. I get to reveal him by working out and gaining the coin. So he set as my avatar, and we're gonna start, all right? So I'm gonna start the clock on my watch here, and I'm gonna put it on cardio just to let it run straight. So here we go. We're gonna start with the bent knees, body rolls with the chairs, 3 sets of 5. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Got 10 seconds rest between sets. Ten seconds. All right. 10 seconds. We're going to be doing push-ups. We have 6 push-ups each. Here we go. Seconds, 10 seconds. 3, 2. Seconds. All right. So that's it. Flying hip raises. We got 10, 3 sets of these boys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. onto the dips. We'll bring you over here. See if we can't. There we go. So we have 3 sets of 8. Ten seconds, feeling good. Feeling good, getting her sweat on. All right, after this, we have 2 more exercises and that's it. We're burning through it. Next on the docket, 3 sets of 6 of jumping squats. Here we go. Five more sets to go. 5 to go. All right, down to 4. Last set of jumping squats, we're gonna end with planks. Here we go. All right, we have 30-second planks here now. Here we go. All right, 2 more sets to go, 1 minute of planks left. All right, last set of the day, here we go. what you're seeing right now is the failsafe built into the app to prevent cheating. So, obviously, I rushed my way through it, and they want you to have a good workout. So, the functionality of this website, or I'm sorry, this app, is to make sure that you are giving it your best and getting an honest workout in. Today was a fun little challenge to see how quick I could get through it. But if I were doing this for real, what I would have done is, I'm gonna go back to train, and you can add sets, okay? So what you'd like to do as you go through is you can add around at the bottom there, as you see. So as you go through as well, you can add sets as you're going through each individual workout as well. So don't cheat yourself, work hard. This is a great app. Move to Earn, it's the next iteration of the whole fitness world. You step in, you've shredded apes, you have Move to Earn. With this, we have a lot of fitness in Web3. I'm really looking forward to the future. The future is bright with Solana NFTs, and especially with Kalisten. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Putting some IRL utility to the Solana NFT space. So subscribe, click the like button, drop a comment. I'm constantly doing Solana NFT videos on a daily basis and cranking out a ton of content. So I will see you again for another Solana NFT video. My name's Goldie. That workout got to my head. Leaving from Frisco, Texas. We'll see you tomorrow.